Here are the 6 settings I turned on and I started getting views. These are very important YouTube settings that you need to turn on now as long as you are a new YouTuber. It will make you to gain more views and gain a lot of subscribers. Just make sure to use all these settings, especially the last one. So try and watch this video to the last so you will know all the settings that will make you to gain more views and gain a lot of subscribers. Hi guys, it's Becky here. Welcome back to my channel. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification button to be notified anytime I post a new video. So number 1 is YouTube tags. These tags are very important. YouTube need these tags to know where they are directing your video to. Any video that you post needs to be directed to somewhere. So these channel tags help YouTube to direct it to somewhere. And if you want to add the channel tags, just go to your settings in your YouTube desktop version. Click on your settings, then click on channel. You will see where they wrote keywords. Just type in a lot of tags that concerns your channel, a lot of keywords that concerns your channel, everything about your channel. Just type it in there. And the second one is upload default. This upload default make everything to be very easy. Like you can actually add your tags, your social media handle, like everything that you normally add to your video, you can add it there so that every time that you post a video, it will automatically upload. This makes it very easy to upload your video without getting stressed out. If you upload everything about your tags, other channels, your social media handle, your links there, it will automatically upload in your new videos. So if you want to add this thing to your upload default, just go to your settings, click on settings, click on upload default. You will see title, you will see your description. In your description, that's where you will add your links, your social media handle, your tags, add everything up. The third setting I'm going to be sharing with you is putting your video on unlisted. Like this helps YouTube to analyze your video very well and push it to the right people. What I normally do, I will schedule my video. If I'm going to let it to be on public tomorrow, put it on schedule by 6 today, then by tomorrow you just go on public. So always put your video on unlisted or on schedule so that YouTube will have time to analyze the video and push it to the right people. So that is number 3 setting. Fourth settings is automatic chatter. This is another settings that will make you to get more views, because sometimes viewers would get tired of your video and they'll just want to watch a particular site. Putting it on automatic chapters will help them to just click on that video easily. So this setting is very important, but it's better you do your own chapters by yourself, because sometimes YouTube will not get the chapters very well. If you want to know how to get your chapters, to do your own chapters by yourself, just watch this video till the end, because I'm going to be giving the tutorial. It makes viewers to click on the part they really want. And the 5th settings I'm going to be sharing with you today is your end screen. End screen is very important because you get a lot of views from end screen. End screen are those videos that used to pop up at the end of a video. So always try and on your end screen, because you get a lot of views from there. So many people will watch your video. After watching it, the end screen pops out, they will like to click it depending on the thumbnail that you put there. That's why thumbnail is very important also. Getting a good thumbnails makes your viewers to click on your video. So, and the final one is your notifying your subscribers. This is very important. This notifying your subscribers depends, because before, when I started newly, I used to turn it on. But when I noticed that if I turn it on, none of my subscribers will watch that video, and it makes me to not to get views on that video. But I decided to turn it off and I started getting views. You know that so many people got their subscribers from live stream, YouTube short, and so many other places, and they like to watch that short videos or your live stream, but they will not like to watch your long form videos. And when you post a video and you notify them that you posted a video, YouTube notify them that you posted a video, they will not watch it because they did not subscribe to your channel through your long form video. They just subscribe through your live stream or your short form videos, so they will not watch it. And when they did not watch it, YouTube will not push your video to many other audience, and that video will not make it at all. So if you get a lot of subscribers that is watching your video, that is when you will turn it on. But if you don't get any subscribers, or you gain your subscribers from short and so many other places that is not your long form video, you turn it off, so that YouTube push the video to the audience that can be able to watch it. So guys, turn all these settings on today and see changes in your video. So this is all I have for today, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. Turn on the notification button to be notified anytime I post a new video. And to my returning subscribers, I love you guys a lot. Bye, and see you in my next video. The first thing to do is to bring pen and paper, write out your video timestamp, then go to description. If you know all the times, always start from 0.00. Then for example, you can write 0.00 is introduction. Then you come down and write 0.30 is keyword research. Then you come down and write 30 points. Like that is how you do it. So after writing all your video stamps, you save it and you are good to go. That is how to write your automatic chapter. It's very, very simple.